The highest surge of COVID cases in 24 hours. In the last 24 hours, 75,760 coronavirus cases have been recorded. 1,023 deaths have been reported in that time. The total COVID cases in the country now stands at 33 lakh 10,234. The total deaths have crossed 60,000. There are now 60,472. Now, the samples tested on the 26th of August were 9 lakh 24,998. With this number, India is now on top in the daily cases in the world since the last 23 days. That means for 23 days, we've been reporting the highest daily cases. India also reported the highest number of deaths for 2 consecutive days. The US reported 388 deaths, Brazil 565, while India has reported 1,059 deaths on the 26th. In this month, it's the 5th time when the maximum number of daily deaths reported are from India on a single day. Now, the 8 states that have seen a record daily rise in cases, then there are 8 of them. That's Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, UP, Odisha, Kerala, Haryana, Tripura and Arunachal Pradesh, all seeing the highest spike that they've seen. And if we talk about cases, then it's Maharashtra that's reported the maximum number of cases with 14,888, followed by Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and Uttar Pradesh. Well, let's go across to Saurabh now for more. In Maharashtra, they're reporting the highest spike in cases of 14,888. So, Saurabh, give us an idea of, where the cases are, being reported from. Of course, Mumbai, we've been reporting about for a long time, but now cases spreading to many other parts of the state as well.
Absolutely, this 14,888 is a big number, but again, authorities say that, look, as we go along, as we ramp up testing, there will be more cases. What we are worried about is ensuring that we control the number of deaths. Our focus is the deaths. They're saying that they're not worried about, the reporting of more cases, because the reporting naturally means that cases are being detected and they're being treated. But what they're worried about actually is the number of deaths. But if we look at the figures that are coming in, actually, Mumbai has seen a spike. Mumbai was reporting around 1,200, 1,300, and now it's gone up to 1,854. Now, you also have other places like, the Brihanmumbai Municipal Corporation, Navi Mumbai, all reporting about over 500 cases. Again, in Raigad, you have 388. Then you have again Pune, and Pune is reporting 1,640 cases. So, again, for the last few days, Pune was reporting more cases than Mumbai. Now, of course, Pune has again gone back to lower than Mumbai. Mumbai has reported more cases, that is 1,854 versus Pune's 1,640 new cases. Then, of course, there are other cities also that have seen a spike in cases, and there are cities that are smaller cities that are reporting more cases. In fact, the Nagpur Municipal Corporation has reported over 1,000 cases, and also you have other cities that are there that are also reporting a high number of cases. Nashik has reported over 700 cases, 712 cases to be precise. So these cities are actually pushing up, and this also authorities attribute to the fact that there is of course a larger opening up, and as the opening up happens, the infection unfortunately is going to spread. What they say is that we have to detect, we have to actually ensure that people reach hospital in time, people are treated in time, so that we don't lose people to the pandemic. Because remember, they say for a majority of these patients, they are asymptomatic and simple home isolation for them helps. It's only those who have comorbidities and those who have underlying health conditions, they are susceptible to becoming critical because of the COVID infection, and that's where the authorities challenges, which is why they say that at this point really they are focusing on keeping the death rate low, and that is something that's been a challenge for the authorities in Maharashtra, which has also, by the way, reported the highest number of deaths.